In this video, we will be installing a pre-assembled Hunter Douglas honeycomb SkyLift shade as an inside mount.
If you're using the PowerView Pebble remote, program the shade to a radio frequency group and then test the operation. For programming information, refer to the PowerView step-by-step guide.
To test, use the PowerView Pebble remote to open and close the shade. Do not use the manual control button on the bottom rail, as this button does not specify open from close. If upon pressing the open button on the PowerView Pebble remote you find that the shade closes, then the right and left side rails have been reversed during assembly. The side rails are labeled right and left for easy reference. Correct any side rail reversal prior to installation by reassembling the SkyLift shade. Today we have a skylight that is lower to the floor than the traditional skylight opening. For this demonstration, we will be installing a PowerView SkyLift shade with a satellite battery pack mounted behind the shade. For shades less than 31 inches in width, a satellite battery pack is the default power source. Mount the satellite pack on the rear of the shade before installing the shade in the skylight opening. You may also mount the satellite battery pack down from the skylight. This will provide ease of access for the consumer. SkyLift shades that are 31 inches in width or wider use two 12-volt battery wands located within the bottom rail. SkyLift orders will include 4 installation brackets per shade and 2 mounting screws per installation bracket. There will also be installation screws provided for the side rails. Also included are 4 corner cap covers and 2 spacer blocks. The SkyLift mounting bracket is unique in the Hunter Douglas product line. Notice that it is a long, slightly angled rectangular stainless steel bracket. One side has 2 holes in it and the other side has no holes at all.
To begin the installation, use the clear mounting bracket template provided with SkyLift shades to locate the mounting bracket positions.
The template shows a mounting position for manual SkyLift shades and PowerView shades with internal battery wands. A second mounting position is shown for PowerView SkyLift shades with a satellite battery pack. The template has the image on the mounting bracket so that you can place the bracket at the correct location in all 4 corners of the SkyLift opening. If you want your SkyLift to be flush with the opening, place the dotted line that states front edge of jamb to the front of the opening. The rear of the template that states toward glass will go towards the rear of the opening. When you read the template, the orientation is for the bottom of the skylight opening on the right-hand side. The template will be reversed for the other bottom side and upside down for the top corners. The screws should always go to the interior of the skylight opening. There are holes in the template to locate the screws for the bracket. Use a pencil to mark the locations of the screws. Repeat this for each corner of the opening. Attach the brackets by lining each bracket up with your marks using the screws provided. Cut the edge seal with a pair of scissors so the overlaps are the same on each side, top and bottom.
The cut does not have to be perfect because the corner cap guards will cover the corner of the edge seal. Remember, SkyLift shades can come up to 80 square feet and may require up to 4 people to install.
To install the SkyLift shade, insert the upper portion first into the opening and slide it over the brackets. Make sure the installation brackets fit into the notches of the corner blocks. To install the lower portion of the SkyLift, insert a screwdriver or putty knife between the edge seal and the bracket. Push back the installation brackets to install the lower portion of the shade. With the SkyLift secured, install the side rail screws through the holes in the side rails. Make sure that the screws are secured but not too tight, as this may cause the side rails to flex out. Now it is time to attach the corner covers. Remove the adhesive backing and press a corner cover onto each corner of the SkyLift, extending it to the opening frame to hide the light gap.
We have successfully installed a Hunter Douglas honeycomb SkyLift shade as an inside mount.